Today we're in the Wyndham in Lake Buena Vista. Here's the entrance there. You've got the Sundial 24/7 shop there that sells Joffrey's. You've got a fantastic beauty little electronic shop there. And as you come in, you've got storage there for your luggage, which we've left ours, and the Eclipse bar in front. Happy hour 5 till 7. Draft beer is $5. And you've also got daily wine cocktail special. TV area there, photo booth, games arcade. Just gone a bit quieter. When we first came here, there was loads of people in here. Down the bottom as well, they've got some basketball hoops down there. Check-in desk is right in front. Back up to the coffee area. Advertising a lot here for Disney. I think it must be one of their partner hotels. And it's 10 minutes walk to Disney Springs apparently. Guest services and car rental. Toilets are here. These chairs, I think they start at $4. Some advertising there for Hollywood Studios. Fitness centre is there, but I can't show you inside because 1, there's somebody in there, and 2, I don't have a room key yet. We're waiting to check in. Check-in is 4 o'clock. We got here about 1:30, I think it was. So we're hoping they're going to ring if we can get in earlier. So this is our room. Oh, Pandy's getting excited because he can see Disney Springs. Yes, it is. There's a balloon. Blue. I love him, he gets excited over balloons. So we're in room 7011 in the Wyndham in Lake Buena Vista. And this is our room. I'll show you our room. So you come in through the door, and then there's a closet there with iron and ironing board. And lots of coat hangers. I think there's about 10 coat hangers. And some storage space down there. There's some more storage cubby holes there. An ice bucket there. Somewhere to store, I don't know what you could put on there apart from backpacks really. A bit too short for coats. In here then is a sliding door by the looks of it. Oh, you can't. Pulling it off the hinge. Yes, a sliding door to the bathroom where there is a shower, quite a deep shower, and some toiletries there, and a removable shower head, which I'm glad of. I prefer the removable shower heads. There, obviously the toilet there. We'll put the seat down. Don't know why it's not soft closing. That's probably why they didn't have it down. And 1, 2, 3, 4 towels, 3 hand towels, 4 hand towels, something like that. Anyway, lots of towels, lots and lots of towels. A mirror, that's called. Losing my words again. And some lotion and hand wash there. Hair dryer. 2 toilet rolls. That's weird. Toilet roll. is right by there, and the toilet's there. I don't know how you're going to reach that one, but there you go. Bin, and there's an adjoining door there. Waste paper basket, just stating the obvious again, sorry. Huge lamp, a nice size bed, just a double bed, and what have we got here? An alarm, snooze. Also, I don't understand that. Snooze and dimmer, don't know what that's about. But they've got USBs here and plug sockets. I think that's, yeah, charging only USB and plug socket. Telephone in here, nice size drawer, some storage, pen and paper. Then in here, I'll tell you what we haven't got though. It's a microwave again by the looks, but because we brought some microwave rice and microwave chili con carne with us. Oh, look at that, that's posh. So there's a tray there and a coffee machine there, and is it Joffrey's coffee? No, tea leaves, chamomile tea's just tea. That's weird. Maybe it's because, oh, there is coffee pods, I was going to say, yeah, coffee. So there is, we just had a Joffrey's coffee from downstairs. You can get Joffrey's coffee. And then here, drawer, and then it says safe. Oh gosh. So the safe is in there. Quite a nice size safe again, great for laptops. There you go. And in here, and just one extra pillow. Oh, and then you've got a seat there, puffy. Oh, brilliant. Desk area here, which is great because I've got to work, and it's a bit more space than I had in Stella Nova, so I can plug my laptop in there, and hopefully my mouse will work on here. Another lamp there, another mirror. Wherever you go, there's mirrors, and a chair there, lamp. And this is our view. Our view is of Disney Springs. Fantastic. I can see it's a balloon. It's a balloon.
See, oh, there's a balloon tonight.
Yeah, you can see Disney Springs there. We're going to time it when we do walk there, because apparently it is 10 minutes walk. So that'll be interesting. And that's why we booked here, because it's just a 10-minute walk into Disney Springs. We haven't got Disney tickets. So we won't be going into Disney itself, but Disney Springs you can get into without tickets, without theme park tickets. So I think that's where we might be going tonight. Our friend Jeff is picking us up in an hour. So we're going to have a quick shower now and get ready to go out. And hopefully I'll take you with us, depending on what shenanigans we get up to regarding the amount of alcohol we have to drink, because we're with Jeff. And it's always Jeff's fault.